Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2009 Dodge Journey and I will show you how to remove and replace the outer taillight. This video will apply to only Dodge Journeys made from 2009 up to 2010. If you have a newer one, the process will be quite similar, but there is a bit of a difference to the taillight. Okay, so to start you want to lift the front hood, and the taillight is held by two plastic trim screws. One will be here and one up here. Okay, so what you have to do to remove these trim screws, you kind of have to pry out this middle piece. So you can use like a flat screwdriver just to try and get that middle piece out. And then once you have it partially out, you can use like pliers or something to completely remove it. See? And now you can get this other part out as well. Okay. I'm trying to work with one hand. Okay, this is the idea. And now you will do the same thing on this one on the top. And that is pretty much it. This is everything that's holding the taillight. Okay, now to completely remove it, you'll have to pull the taillight straight towards yourself. Do not pull it to the side, because here on the side you will have two pins which are inside like a small brackets. So you don't want to crack it. So what you want to do, you want to grab it and pull it straight towards yourself. Just like this. You see? You will have these two pins which will be inside these small brackets, small holes. So that's why pull it straight towards yourself, and that's it. Last thing to do, you want to disconnect the light bulbs. You just want to turn them counterclockwise, just like this, and pull them straight out. And once you do both of these, you can completely remove the taillight. If you have to replace any of the light bulbs, that's quite easy. You just pull them straight out from the sockets and install the new one in. Okay, just like this. And that's pretty much everything. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.